Lockdown going peaceful in Dongkamakam. ASDC welcomes Holiram Terang's resignation, says new impact on party. Langmet, Birik Longtar and Rongkor still awaiting Parivartan. Hello and a very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie BP with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Amidst the rising cases of COVID-19 in the district, people in Dongkamakam have become more concerned and are following the lockdown norms more seriously. In the bid to prevent the spread of COVID-19, the 7 days lockdown was imposed in Dongkamakam beginning from the night of July 8 until 7 a.m. on July 15. The second day of the lockdown was peacefully barring stray incidents. People remained largely indoors and only a few vehicles were seen on the road. Hospitals and other medical shops continued to function as usual, while closure of major chunk of other establishments continued. The police played an important role in maintaining order in cautioning people against forming into large groups and explaining to them about the scope of spreading the disease through large gatherings. Meanwhile, 10 fresh cases of COVID-19 were reported from Karbi Anglong. With this, the total cases reported from the district have reached 223 with 3 deaths reported. On the other hand, total number of COVID-19 positive cases in Assam has passed 14,000 mark and that toll have climbed above 30 mark. Kabon Militi Sopi from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. A day after the veteran politician Holiram Terang's resignation from the party, ASDC has called a press meet to clarify speculations that Terang's move would weaken the party. ASDC Working President Chandra Kanta Terang during the press briefing clarified that the party has accepted Terang quitting their party to join the LDP with the aim to further strengthen the support for autonomous movement. Terang was given clear condition that he will not involve in the expansion of the LDP party in Karbi Anglong and the Mahasal before joining the new party.
Political hin langdang mo pritame ilmu bangke mo ke organisasi ke dalam political hin benda itu menjadi do jongwe de lang pritame asam lo bangke 126 seat to MLA seat out of that jongwe ne kun pritame khobani dunge lasi 121 bangke popular dadak assembly lo not only LDP tapi mereka kasong kami langsung like minded political parties pro autonomous state bahas kita merasa kiri pun kita merasa sekolah itu. So ini saya itu cuma lekon bunga untuk proses lo. Organisasi tentu proses lo. Lakukan. Amun biarlah mungkin ASDC ke divided kali, united. ASDC ke ऐसे cancel mungkin tu meeting mungkin plan itu miss propaganda lah ya mungkin. Coba masih united. Akhir dong alam tak ini tu lower level komitian ciponya lo pun itu masih kado kita united. Setiap presiden kami alang ikai mata meeting dulu kita tahu ikai mata nak tuh dia ini tuh movement pendang lo kado ini pandang pun dia kan itu nama state movement di sini bangke karbiala yang sih salah satu pandang pun dia kan bangke ini ini ponak ikai mata itu masih LDP kalau kita me chairman hisap sini kan bangke nang pakon pola sih ada itu betul betul kosong lama, alam lo, so bangke, awak tu mak, orang bangke kartu ni kalau kami ke registration lo, kami ke expel dah dulu ya dulu, kasi alam ni bangke siap positif lo kalau lo, cingwai sah sih ni, bola.
He had slammed the media for terming Terang's quitting the party as breaking of its backbone. He said that ASDC will spring back to power and that the public is still with them. He also emphasized on the support of the KSA and the KNCA towards the party. Bikram Pro from Deepu, Karbi Anglong Live. Stay with us for more news after this break. Punctual Stationery Humri damra langda mikha Labang suwa kuladalo nanglitum kirang sora hormuan long iji Lake ason kecho hormu Nangli hemarlo kapang jangjia phan kenang sora hormu lapen kapre kason nanglitum lopon iji Humri damlote nanglitum thek igongji lasi humri damikha Punctual Stationery Welcome back after the break. Langmet, Birik Longtar and Rongkor, these three areas inside Hamren is accessible during winter season. But the same road would always turn into a nightmare during the monsoon as residents would be forced to push or pull their vehicles due to absence of blacktopping road. The difference towards the area by Hamren PWD division aggravates the pain and sufferings of the people due to the lack of road. Falling under the number 4 Socheng MSC constituency, the village road connecting Langmet, Birik Longtar, Rongkor, Larsing, Vodilangso with NEC road at Borpu continues to remain neglected and backward with no road, even when the local population has given their mandate to the present party in power at the center, state and local body.
Sili, tuwara putak ko sono, na tuwar misen ma.
Tuwar mimi si malayo.
Ako dagdag lo tuwar mimi na tu theklong.
Puro kore dam tuwar lo. Tapi na hinung silo.
Wah, ente la dakan mi ulum ma.
Tapi hinung. Something
So
The people of these areas have been utterly forgotten and neglected by Congress when it was in power, and their situation remained unchanged. Vodilar LP School and Sotricho English ME School teachers, students, laborers, women and children are the hardest hit due to the lack of road. According to locals EM, Rup Singh Theron had also made several promises for construction of road but has never been fulfilled, nor is there any positive indication from the elected representative, the concerned department and authority. Local people say that they have only been hearing scheme for improvement and the result is only leveling of road through excavator and never the construction of good road.
daman ini ti utu tumtalo bike tumtalo purwilar tumta bila Hamren kai kisi di damnang tina kita kamen danglo na hutan kai kisi suci pona tum keduri mat.
Disappointed villagers lamented that reality the PWD department seemed to have almost no work as their village has no road connectivity and are living life of immense hardships as a result of the indifference of the present party in power. Daniel Inhi reporting from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest incident, Khatkhati police seized huge quantity of Arunachal-made liquor from a godown inside Lahorijan under the Khatkhati police station here on Friday. Altogether, 125 cases of the illegal liquor were seized from the godown belonging to Mangilal Godown after receiving information about the illegal stock being hidden inside. In addition to this, the local police also seized 10 bottles of the Arunachal-made liquor from an Alto car with the registration number AS05K1865. In this connection, Bijoy Kumar Yadav has also been taken into custody by the police. According to the statement of the arrested persons, Alto, Swift, Xylo, Safai car and Mahindra pickup vehicles numbering around 20 were involved in the smuggling of illegal liquor during the lockdown period. Further, the arrested person revealed that Kamaljit Singh, Sun City in Lahorijan, Akhilesh Yadav in Silonijan, Pats in Borpathar and Nanu in Golaghat were the main persons carrying out liquor business. Anantirang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have at house for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.